Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got an unboxing of a Revell Monogram Aerovette 125 scale, skill level 2, and this one is kit number 85-7638. Yep, that's what it is. We'll go ahead and get right into this one for you. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Set that over there, and right off the bat we have molded in white. Let's go ahead and get right into this one. Cutting that bag open, and right off the top we have the body, which a little bit on the thin side there, folks, but it's alright. Pretty cool looking. I don't even know what it reminds me of. Maybe a Pantera from the 70s. These here have to be removed, both sides. Looks like it has T-tops. It appears to be a rear engine vehicle. We'll see about that when we get in there. There's a little bit of flaw right there. Feels nice. It's a little bit on the thinner side. Right there's the door lock and the handle, I guess, to get inside. Couple little things going on there, some venting there, headlights. Absolutely nothing going on the bottom. Couple locating pins, that's it. Alrighty, let's see. Next we have, there's not a whole lot of parts in this kit. Next we have what appears to be the bottom of the front end. That would go, whoops, it'd go like that. If you can see that real good in the camera. And then we have the rear end portion also, hooks up the same kind of way. Here is the interior portion. Not a whole lot going on there either. Very basic kit, guys. This one here says something on the bottom. Let's see, it says RV, copyright Revell Monogram Incorporated 1998. That's what it says on the bottom of that, right there. I don't know if you can make that out. Probably not. That's what it says. Oh, here it also says copyright 1998 Revell Monogram Incorporated, all rights reserved, made in USA. Here's a couple other little vent things. I don't even know what those are. Let's see, on the box it doesn't really show them. Huh. Alright, they are parts number 39 and 26. When we get into the instructions, we'll see what those are. 39 and 26. I'm going to try and remember it this time, guys. Alright, here we have what appears to be engine block and the heads. Some kind of funky transmission setup here. More like the other half of this thing. Looks like a transfer case there. Some exhaust. Fan belt and pulley right there, carburetor, ignition coil, side mirrors, water pump. I don't know what this is. It's oh, look at there, it's fans, electric fan setup. Alright, on this tree we have the front suspension, it looks like, or the rear suspension. No, it's one or the other, and here's the other. So I believe this is the rear suspension. Look at that tiny little rear end. Wow, that's funny. And this most likely the cradle for the front end. Some miscellaneous parts for suspension, and then the inner door panels, it looks like. Okay, here we go. Here's the interior tub. That's kind of fancy looking. Looks like a Corvette. Low seats. Console all molded in, a couple of shock absorbers. This looks like the bottom of the steering column. Steering wheel, which would go that way. An old funky 80s looking Corvette steering wheel. Some wheel backings. And these things, I have no idea what they are. They are part number 6 and 8. We'll look at those too. And those other ones whatever I said they were, 39 and something. Oops. And here we have red tail lights, I'm assuming. Part number 58 and 59. Alright. Some tires. Decent looking tires. No markings on that side. These sides say Eagles, so these are Goodyears. They appear to all be the same. Sorry, out of frame there. They appear to be all the same size. Decent looking. I don't think they're specific to which position they go. I think they're universal. So there. And here we have a very, very small chrome tree. Got some wheels, which look pretty cool on the box. I don't know if you can see them on the box. Kind of nice looking rims there. That's what these are. Intake manifold, air cleaner, valve covers, and exhaust. Some crazy looking exhaust with the muffler built right into it. And then the back of the alternator. That's it for that, for chrome. Wow. Oh, here's some clear parts. Big old fancy Star Wars, Star Trek looking glass. Starts here, goes all the way around over to here. Pretty cool. This is the back window. You know, it goes in there from underneath, of course. And then the little side lights, or side windows, which go right there. Those are cool looking. And I'm assuming these are the headlights, which I think are going to be buried, but whatever. Alright, I'll put that aside so it doesn't get scratched. And last but not least, we have the instructions. Alright, I'm going to pick you up for that one. This is back here. I'll just focus on it, and then you guys can pause it if you want to read it. There you go. So, a little bit of information on the car. Talking about Bill Mitchell and the design department. Alright. There we go. Here's some basic tips before you begin. Some color suggestions, which is nice. Again, here's a phone number. You can call them if you got questions. Alright. And this kit, I don't know if I mentioned it, came out in 1998 according to the paperwork here. Well, we got a whole booklet here for very limited parts. There's a lot of information. There's the engine assembly instructions, parts A and B. Alright. Pretty cool exhaust, that's what I said, exhaust manifold, yeah. Your exhaust manifolds. Some painting tips, which is nice. Help you along. Front suspension, okay, that one was rear axle for sure. That's cool. Pretty neat. And we have the front suspension, which is that big piece, okay. Here's your interior going together. I didn't see the shifter, part number 12. I'm sure it was on there, I just missed it. Oh, that other part, it says 8 and 9. I don't remember if those were the numbers I called out. Yes, it is. That's the dashboard, so that's kind of cool. That's those two parts right there. This one here and that. That's the dashboard. That's pretty crazy looking. Alrighty. Here's a giant letter A. I don't know what that's all about. It's made out of clear plastic, or red plastic. I don't know if it's supposed to be an A or some kind of other part. I'll put that right there. Here's the decals. Oh, they're stuck. Let's see. Pretty basic decals, guys. Some dash gauge things and a couple of scripts for the outside. Pretty basic, but still nice to have. Here we have the chassis assembly. That's where them fans go up in the front, but the engine's in the back, so whatever. Alright. Here we have the mirrors, the side windows. Okay. And the body to the chassis. That's interesting. The tires and wheels are step 7. That's different. Putting them together doesn't say, well, it does say front and rears. So we'll have to, I don't know why they show them different. They all say 180 tire. So those are the same, 37, 37. There it is. 36 and 36 are your front inner wheels, and then 37s are your rear wheels. So there's your only distinction of difference there. And then here we have tailpipes that exhaust from the bottom. Okay, your taillights go on that bottom piece. And your turn signals, those other clear lenses were the turn signals. I thought they'd be, so those are there. 54, okay. So now, the other part that I didn't know was 39. Yeah, that was these. Those are, they call them grills. They want you to paint them flat black, and they go on the bottom section of the vehicle. So that's that. There you have it, folks. That is the Revell Monogram Aerovette from 1998. Hope you enjoyed that one. Nothing left in the box. I want to thank you all for stopping by. Have yourselves a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling. Here's a little bonus footage here. I forgot to show you the sides of the box, guys. Sorry about that. Definitely a rear engine vehicle. Boy, you're going to get choked out if you don't open a window or something on this one. Doesn't appear to have any kind of separation of the engine and the interior compartment. Alright guys, again I thank you. We'll see you on the next one.